how do companies get started with AI? Like, what do you do next?
What not to do is boil the ocean, right? Start small. Don't bite off more than you can chew, because then you may not win the buy-in of your leadership team if you try and fail by trying to do all of the things at once. So definitely start small, but small enough that you can get a quick win. You have to be able to show some impact to not only your higher ups, but also your laterals, your team members, because you got to get everybody excited. AI isn't an individual person can just run this motion inside of an organization. It really is cultural.
Another thing that you want to think as an organization is, are you ready for AI? What does it require? So first, just taking a moment to audit all the capabilities within HubSpot itself, understand kind of what those AI features and capabilities are. You're able to either go research it directly in HubSpot. Also keep in mind, HubSpot's constantly releasing new product updates. If you go to the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you're actually able to click down and see what product updates have come out. Take a look, start browsing through them. HubSpot's done a great job saying what it is, what you were trying to do, how it's going to help your organization achieve its goals. That's a great place to start. And it's really the audit part of this AI. So when you think of it, I would say one is your data set up in a way that it's clean, it's ready to go. Two, do you have your processes built out and you understand what you want to accomplish as an organization? And now you're just looking to say, hey, AI, how can we make this work better for us? And then lastly, what are our goals and what are we trying to accomplish as an organization? If you have those four things, you are set up for success. And that's why these AI transformations really start there to ensure success. But what else you've seen a lot. What else would you add to that?
So I would say the features are important, right? Going through the updates and trying to understand what exists and where it lives inside of the portal. But I think from there, you really have to shift into what is the pain point and what is the outcome that I seek. And then you can go back and say, okay, these 6 features are going to map to the right outcome for me. And then just forget about the rest for right now, right? Contain your first pilot to one outcome in one sort of area of your business.
So in other words, be intentional.
Be intentional.
Be intentional, I think, is a key phrase throughout all of this. And really, as you mentioned earlier, we mentioned throughout this, make sure you have that really good AI use case win story early on, because that's going to lead to more win stories. And the goal here is a little bit of experimentation, but also it's thinking it from an operational perspective. How can we simply be more efficient?
And operations span your entire business. So it really is a full team effort.
If you're interested in learning more about AI transformation, please feel free to reach out to us at Aptitude 8. We're doing these AI transformations. It is so cool what we've been able to do for our clients and what we're doing for them, helping you make sure you have everything we talked about in order, from structure and identifying where those opportunities are, and helping you guys make that leap into an AI-first organization, AI-first company.
Listen, if you're interested in AI, come talk to Aptitude 8. You can talk to Noah or myself. We're active on LinkedIn. You can go to aptitude8.com. Look, we talk to HubSpot pretty much every day of our lives.
Every day.
Deep with the product team. So we're very, very comfortable with these tools and we're ready to help. So reach out.